Welcome back to Recycle and Save. We've got a 2012 RMZ 450. These bikes never won any shootouts with the magazines, but one shootout they did win is they are pretty much bulletproof. This one, I did get a record sheet with it. First owner only put about 5 hours on it over a couple of years. The guy that he sold it to put about another 15 hours on it, and the gentleman I bought it from put about another 15 hours on it. So I do have a good history log that there's about 50 hours on the bike. I took it for a ride by his place. Makes good strong power, no hints of burning oil, any bad noises. I wouldn't even worry about shimming the valves or anything on this one. It's ready to run. This is a good, strong 2012 RMZ 450 motor. If you get the wheels, they do have brand new tires, front and back. Back has a little bit of wear, probably for me on the road and maybe a couple other people doing some test riding. But you can see brand new brake pads in the back. Everything is in really decent shape. Everything's tuned and ready to go. And then he just decided, after getting it all ready to go, front end too, that he was going to go get a new bike. So Yoshimura exhaust, I think that's been on there since new. I do have a box in the truck with the stock exhaust and some other stock parts. It's got the Hinson covers on both sides, but I don't have any stock clutch parts, so I don't know if there's a stock clutch in there or a Hinson clutch in there. I'll have to check on that too. But really good, solid bike. If I drop this trying to kick it over, remember to look down below to subscribe, see what else we're taking apart. Check our eBay listing for parts. Let me see if I can get it going here.